Hi everyone, I just wanted to jump on really quick and show you how to make a branch. This is 24 gauge wire. I'm going to make it with a bird. And instead of doing it the way I've done it in the past, which was put the bird on and twist him, it ends up with a wire around it. I don't like that. So instead, because we're going to make this a branch, we're going to do the same thing we did when we worked on the heart pendant for the April birthday tree. So now, after we put our little, I'm using a little green Vicone, I have my little bird. I'm going to put both wires right through and slide the bird down. And now I'm going to make a few twists. This actually is going to be part of the final project that I'm working on. And I'm just going to put some little crystals here. I'm going to twist them in groups of 2. The tree that I'm working on, that this is actually going to be a part of, is this one. And I stopped it because I got a phone call and I got angry. And I don't know how to edit, so I may have to put this to music, or I might try to, I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we'll see. Anyway, back to our little branch. So you're going to take your 2 little crystals or beads or whatever you do, whatever you use, hold them, support your work right there. Take your wire and bring it up to where you ended the twist, which is right after the bird's tail feather. And just twist them. This isn't going to be fancy, it's just going to be pretty. Now you need to twist some more. Slide down. I'm going to twist a little more than that, like that. Slide down 2 more. Support your beads. Bring that wire right down to where you ended that last twist and twist out your little leaf of 2 beads, not 3. Not today. Now, bring your wires together and twist some more. I'm going to put some more beads on my wire. This is on the longer wire, so when I bead up again, I'll do it on the shorter wire. Hold on to your 2 little beads. Bring your wire right there to where the twist was, and twist out that little leaf. Now, slide those beads down and twist some more. Bring your beads away from that little twist. Hold your work. Cross your wire over and twist those 2 little beads like that. Now we're going to twist a little bit more, depending on how long you want your leaf to be. I'm going to keep going. Doesn't have to be perfect. Oops, got a jumper. Yeah, I think this is going to be a pretty little tree. It's a little different, but I like it. I just don't like how I had to end the first part. I just got so mad and I just shut it off. But I did apologize. I have to re-listen to see how much of a temper tantrum I threw. I think I overreacted. It wasn't the end of the world. So you have to listen to my husband's conversation. I should have just shut it off then, but he knew I was recording and called anyway. But it was a necessary call. We're having a little plumbing issue. So I think that's good enough. I like that. So when this hangs, you'll see the little bird on the bottom. You'll make another one and put two together. I think I'll make another branch like this one. Yeah, I'll do that. And then just put them together and just let them hang as a group. Okay guys, that's it for this little branch. I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching.